I saw that line USTD was trending. This is line USTD was trending. So I want to analyze it. Let us see what is making it to trend. This is line. Okay, sorry, not line, linear. Sorry about that. This is linear USTD. Okay, so now this linear USTD is trending, and the chart is a bit. I don't actually use the Bybit feed. The Bybit chart. Okay, let me use TradingView. That is where I get what I'm looking for. So linear. This is linear USDT .p. This is the Bybit feed. Okay, so let us see what we have here. I saw that it was trending on Bybit exchange, so I decided to analyze it to see what is making it trend and if there's any opportunity for us. Okay, so from what we are seeing here, we have a break of structure. This is the most recent break of structure. This guy here, this is the most recent break of structure to the downside. So we have our low. This is our low, boom, and then this is the high that caused that low. So this is it. So let's go to we want to study this move here. Let us see what we have on the daily time frame. The daily time frame is just a pump. I think a pump, and that pump created a market structure shift here. All right, that pump created a market structure shift. So let's see what we are doing. Let's see, we have a change of character at this area. This is the bigger structure for it. A change of character. Price broke structure to the upside at this level and then create change of character. Good. Okay, we have a structure here now. So this is it here. We have this break of structure to the downside. So price retraced a bit, came back here. Retrace could not break, is going down, and then broke this side and then broke this down. So we have sell. We are just look. This is another one here. This is the trend of the market. We have this sell. We have this buy. We have this sell. Okay, and then we have this sell. Now see what is happening, guys. Okay, I got it here. Retrace down, failure swing. Yeah, failure swing, continue. Okay, so this is our break of structure to the downside. So what we have here, guys, is the trend of the market, bearish. Now at this level here, we are what? This is a ranging market or consolidating market. That is why we could not be able to find the exact trend of this particular market at this area. All right, so this area, what the market is clearly ranging. It is a ranging market. All right, so it's just like market in a box. You can see it here. So it's just like what market in a box. It is what's ranging. Now since it is ranging, and I told you that if we are bearish and at a point we start ranging, we don't trade ranging market. All right, so what we do is what we take the structure of the former trend. We are not assuming that we are bullish. This is a ranging market. Normally, how to trade a ranging market is this. It is market in a box. If it is market in a box, you use your Fibonacci like this. So at supply area, that is this area, we look for what? Sell. And then at this green area, we look for what? Buy. That is how to trade ranging market. But I don't really trade ranging market. So what I believe is that if I am bearish and at a point we start ranging, I will stay with what? The sell until I get a clear buy. All right, so my bias is what? Bearish. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see if we can find a store, a bearish store. Let's see, this is the highest area where this, okay, let us see. Good, this is an order block. Price is currently at a bearish order block. This is it, yeah. Price is currently at a bearish order block. So this is the order block that we have here. This order block created a change of character, sorry, a break of structure. We can also draw it like this. This is it again, guys. This is the bigger one and that one is the smaller one. So the other block created a break of structure. The other block caused this break of structure, BOS. All right, the other block caused that break of structure. Sorry guys, let me plug this. My phone is a bit slow. All right, so this is what the other block caused the break of structure. We have the entire load to be around this area, okay, and then we have displacement. All right, this is a good displacement, and then we also have what? A fair value gap. We also have what? An FVG, fair value gap, FVG. All right, so the other block is what? Valid. This other block is what? Very valid for us, and it aligned with what? The structure of the market. All right, so what we'll do is this. We'll wait, so we'll just entered it. See, we just entered aggressively. This is the first time price is coming to that other block. We just entered aggressively. Let us see what we're having in 5 minutes. All right, and see in 5 minutes we are still what? The structure is yet to form. All right, we just had a break of structure to the upside, so we are still moving until we see a change of character, maybe something like this. If price happens to take out this high and then create this is a change of character, we want it to show us a confirmation, then we take what? The sell. So that is it, guys. That is it. All right, if you find value in this video, please like, subscribe and share. All right, you can also drop your comments when you have any question. Please only drop comments that are relevant to this particular topic. Any question you have, write it down and I will answer your questions accordingly. Thank you very much. All right, have a nice day.